Hello students, so today I am going to explain question number 7 from exercise 13.5. So the question is, a go down measures 40 meter, 25 meter into 50 meter. So three measurements are given. So when this kind of measurements are given, then the shape of the go down will be what? Cuboid. This shows the L, that is length, this is the breadth B, and this is the height H. So this is the measurement of go down. Next, find the maximum number of wooden crates. So each measuring 1.5, 1.25 and 0.5. So even the wooden crates are in the shape of cuboid that can be stored in go down. So let us take one go down of cuboidal shape. So its measurement are given 40, 25 and 15. And then the wooden crates. So those are of the measurements 1.5, 1.25 and 0.5 height. So that you have to store in this go down. So you have to find out maximum number of wooden crates. So this go down we have to fill with wooden crates. So we have to keep the wooden crates here. We have to store. Then find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring this much, that can be stored in the go down. It means what? How many numbers of wooden crates can be stored in this go down. So to find out this, so first of all you have to find out the volume or the space it is there in the go down, isn't it? Then you have to find out the space occupied by one wooden crate. So in this go down, how much space is occupied, that be calculated by finding the volume of this or the capacity of this wooden crate. So first of all we will find out the volume of go down. So for go down, the dimensions will write L as 40 meter, B as 25 meter and H, that is 50 meter. And remember, whenever you are calculating such kind of questions, all measurements should be of same unit, meter, and here also meter. If they are not of same measurement, you have to convert into the one measurement. Let us take, suppose it is given in centimeter, either convert all in the meter or you can convert into a centimeter. Now we will find out here the capacity or the volume of go down. So capacity is nothing but how much matter it can hold. So capacity, or you can say volume of go down. So that is L into B into H. So this is L, 40 into 25 into height is 15. So find out this 40 into 25 into 15. But I'll keep this answer as it is because later on I'm going to use this form of answer, that is the volume of go down. Same form I'll keep. So later on I can use. So your unit is meter, meter, meter. So meter cube or cubic meter is the unit. Now for wooden crates. So wooden crates are also in the form of cuboid. So here L it is given 1.5 meter, then B is 1.25 meter and H is 0.5 meter. So find out the capacity or the volume of, volume is nothing but the how much space it will occupy of wooden crate. One wooden crate we are finding, that is L into B into H. So that is 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. So I'll write this answer, that is meter cube. So this is the space available in the go down and this is the space occupied by the wooden crate. If you keep, so this much space from this go down it will occupy. So we'll find out how many wooden crates can be occupied in the go down. So one crate occupies how much volume? This much volume. 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.25 meter cube of volume. So how many crates? So let us take X can be stored in this much volume of go down. So that is 40 into 25 into 15. So X indicates the number of crates. Therefore, number of crates which can be stored in go down. So So we'll take that as x, that is equals to x into this, then 1 into these all things. So we need to find out x, so this will divide with this. So you'll get 40, 25 into 15 into 1. That is same will get divide by x into this will do this volume. Then we'll to find out the x will bring this side. So it will be 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Now what happens? We are going to convert them into the fractions. So 40 into 25 into 15. So this is 15 upon 10 into 125 upon 100, because 2 decimal points here we have, and here 0.5 are 5 upon 10. So this 10, 100 and 10, they will be multiplied with this numerator. 40 into 125 into 15 divide by 15 into 125 into 5, and these all, so you can 10 into 100 into 10. So you can easily divide this. 15 ones are 15 ones are. Next here 25 ones are 25 fives are. Then 5 ones are 5 eights are. Then 5 ones are here and 5 twos are. So 8 into 2 into 100 into 10. So finally you can multiply. This multiplication becomes very easy. That's why whichever data you are going to use for further calculation, keep that in product form. So 8 twos are 16, 16 ones are 16, ones are 16, 1, 2, 3. So number of credits which can be stored in go down are 16,000. So it means what? 16,000 credits can be stored. Maximum, it is asked to maximum 16,000 credits you can store in this go down.